Happy day, my friends, and welcome to week 2 of Roadmap to Success. I am so glad you are here. Last week, we focused on setting a clear foundation for success by defining your goal and getting crystal clear about what you want to achieve this year. We talk about the importance of aligning your goals with your values and creating an action plan to guide you move forward. This week, we are turning up the heat by taking those goals and bringing them to life right now using the incredible power of visualization. Visualization is not just a feel-good exercise. It's a proven technique that successful people around the world use to bridge the gap between dreaming, desiring, and doing, acting. For instance, Jim Carrey famously wrote himself a check for $10 million for active service render and visualized himself receiving that amount. Years later, he earned exactly $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber. But this is not just about anecdotes. Science backed this up. Studies have shown that when athletes visualize themselves executing their skill flawlessly, it can significantly improve their physical performance. This phenomenon is rooted in the brain's ability to stimulate the same neural pathways using during actual physical execution, merely through the process of visualization. Moreover, visualization isn't limited to athletes. Research indicates that individuals who practice visualization techniques can improve their decision-making speed and accuracy. By mentally rehearsing scenarios, you can enhance your cognitive abilities and prepare for various situations. This means that vividly imagining a successful performance can prime your brain and body for real-life execution. It strengthens your belief system, builds confidence, and primes your brain to recognize opportunities that align with your goals. Here are 3 steps to get you started. First, see the details. Close your eyes and imagine your future self living your dream. What does your environment look like? Where are you? What colors, textures, and surrounding do you notice? Number 2, feel the emotion. Just as Neville Goddard's book states, the feeling is the secret. Visualization works best when it's tied to emotions. Now, imagine how you feel when you achieve your goal. Proud, energized, free, fulfilled. Let those feelings fill your heart. And number 3, engage your senses. Incorporate sound, smell, and even taste. If your vision includes a dream vacation, imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin and the scent of the ocean breeze. This week, your challenge is to create a vision board that aligns with the goals you set last week. Use powerful images, words, and affirmations that evokes your emotion and inspiration. Remember, this is your future. Design it with intention. Finally, if you are loving this series but missed week 1, it's not too late to catch up. Become a member on my website where you will find in one convenient place all the resources and tools to guide you step by step on your roadmap to success. See the video description for more information. Let's turn dreams into reality together. Thank you for watching, and remember, every intentional step counts on your journey to well-being. See you next week. Bye.